Okay, and the final thing we're going to cover this morning, it's the 24th of April. If you're just joining us, is as promised, some more resources on Framer. We've created a couple different Framer communities for designers, agencies, entrepreneurs, etc., especially those of us who are not good coders or not designers by nature. Here is again an example of something I just added that I think for those of us who want to sell sort of services that leverage Framer to clients in our community. I think these sorts of sites, similar to doing the same thing on Card or Cargo or other analogous platforms, is the best way to go. So, Linktree style Framer pages. This one happens to be, it's called Linker. I don't know the dude who created this, but I really like this person's designs. It's a link in bio style site that's very, very easy to create very quickly. And for folks in our own entrepreneurial orbit, and speaking for myself, these are generally authors or mental health professionals in the mindfulness and mental health sorts of spaces, like life coaches and therapists and folks writing books for our Tiny Book About platform, service providers, etc. These sorts of sites are super duper easy to create for agencies and designers who serve these sorts of folks. And they're also high value to the quintessential client communities who could benefit from them, right? They have an industry standardized sort of, kind of meme already. I mean, most folks are using Linktree or link in bio style landing pages for Instagram or Twitter or those sorts of social media platforms. So it's already an industry standardized kind of idea that these are effective or efficient or expected sorts of pages to have. And Framer makes it easy to do these better. So this is, something that, you could build on Framer in an hour for a client, and it just looks better pretty much empirically than a link tree or a link in bio that would resolve to a link tree or a link in bio sort of domain. I mean, it's just better, right? I mean, you're just going to do, it's not so hard to sell people that this is a better, kind of solution for them, right? And this is just one option of many. I happen to like this guy's designs, but you can pick any that you prefer.